Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to add margin between columns in Elementor, right? As you can see it right now, I'm just editing a web page of my website using Elementor, right? Many times students make mistake, they have misunderstanding about the concept that is of creating margin between columns, right? I will tell you how to do so, right? As you can see, here is a section that I have created, and this section is of grid layout, and in that particular grid we have added two columns, and in the first column I have simply added a image widget, right? In the first column, right? Now what I want is I just want to create the gap between these two columns, right? So that particular thing is gap, not it is margin, right? If you are trying to create gap, then you need to focus on creating gaps, not margin, right? As you can see, to create gaps between these two columns, you just need to move your cursor over the section, and here over the top of the section you will find the edit container button, the 6 dot button. You just need to click on that, and in the left side toolbar there are three settings: layout setting, style setting, and advanced setting. And in the layout setting, you just need to scroll down and you just need to increase the gap, right? If this particular thing resolves your issue, then it's fine, right? But if you are seriously looking for the margin only, then let me tell you, if you want to decrease it, you can also put it 0, right? Or you can simply increase your gap. So the gap between these two columns will automatically get increased and decreased, right, by using this method, right? And if you are looking for margin solution, then let me tell you, you need to edit this particular element, right? You just need to edit this image. For editing this image, you just need to move your cursor over here, right? And here you need to click on the right top corner icon of this widget, right? That is of edit image, and in the left side toolbar you will find content, style, and advanced, and you can go to the advanced setting, and in the layout you can change the margin. First of all, you need to delink the values together, and you can increase the right side margin, right? And as you can see, the margin of this particular element or widget only is increasing, whereas this element is at its own place, right? So this is how you can increase the margin between two columns, right? If there are two different widgets in each column, right? But if you have added container like this, right, as you can see in this particular section we have a grid layout, right? And we have just simply added a container in first column and a container in second column. Then for editing the container, you just need to move your cursor over the container, and you will find the edit container button in the top left corner of that particular container. You just need to click on that, and again in the left side toolbar you will find layout setting, style setting, and advanced setting, and you need to move to the advanced setting, and in the advanced setting you will find the layout option, and in the layout option you will find the margin option, and here you need to delink the values, and you can simply increase the or decrease the right side margin, right? So we need to decrease the left side margin, right? And for making this particular container to be separated, you need to edit this container, right? The second column container, I have simply moved my cursor over the second column container, right? And here you need to click on edit container, and here again to the advanced setting in the left side toolbar, in the layout, in the margin setting, you need to delink the values, and here you need, if you make changes in the right side, then it makes no difference, but whereas if you make changes in the left side, then it makes changes. So either you can increase or decrease the margin using this method, right? If you are creating margin between two containers of two columns, right? And previously we have learned how to create margin between two widgets placed in two columns, right? and before that we have studied how to create gaps between two columns, right? So this is all for now. If you want to learn Elementor in detail, then I have added my blog link in video description. You can simply visit my blog and read articles related to Elementor with video tutorials. And if you're interested in learning digital marketing in detail, then also I have added my website link in video description. You can simply visit my website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course directly from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.